So hello guys, this is Swatej from Swatej Tech once again. There is a very good news for YouTubers who use mobile to produce videos and make their content more popular. Everybody who uses Chrome and who uses a PC or computer to use YouTube might have known this, and this is nothing but Tubebuddy. Yes guys, you are right, Tubebuddy is only for Chrome. You guys might have searched Tubebuddy for Android, but you haven't got it. I know that because Tubebuddy is not launched for Android, but now it is launched for Android, guys. Yes, you heard it right. TubeBuddy is now available for Android devices. So this is not any promotional video. So TubeBuddy is useful for mobile YouTubers. So if you have used TubeBuddy recently in computer or any PC, then you might have known the use of the TubeBuddy. So here is the TubeBuddy, guys. So this is the official TubeBuddy app. It is available in the Google Play Store, and link is right below in the description. So just go and download this TubeBuddy app. So here you can see TubeBuddy mobile logging in YouTube certified, and this is certified by YouTube. And TubeBuddy, with this TubeBuddy you can view stats and all those things for your YouTube videos. So here you can see all those things this is my recent video, and these are all the videos that I have posted. And you can see, if I click on this, then you can see all the stats of my videos. So now if you click on this, then you can see all the comments and replies, and if you click on this, then you can see all the milestones which you have got for your channel. So 10,000 views has been passed on April 28th for me. And here if you click on these three lines, then you will get this thing. And from here you can see tag explorer, topic planner, canned responses, tag list. So if you click on tag explorer, then you can see just you should enter a tag like tubebud tubebuddy for Android. So you can see all the tags. So how to install TubeBuddy on Android, how to use TubeBuddy on Android. And if you see this red, then it is like high, and if you see this orange color, then it is um, average, and 25 bad this color, then it is overall. So TubeBuddy for Android, this particular keyword is having high competition and average search volume, and overall, yeah, this is bad. So let's see, TubeBuddy in Android. Then you can see competition is less and search volume is low, and overall it is fair. But if you see install in Android, it is not coming. So means you have to only enter specific tags. So with this you can see all those tags like TubeBuddy Android. So it is got failed. I have entered wrong spelling. TubeBuddy Android. So here you can see search volume is very low, so anyone are not searching this, but competition is average. And if you see here, overall percentage is fair. So if you see TubeBuddy, okay guys, so with this thing you can so I think you got to know what is tag explorer. And when you come to topic planner, you can see here You can create any topics like title Tubebuddy for Android. Even I haven't used this feature. So you can add all the topics here, and means if you get any topic in your brain, then directly you can add all those topics here and details, and then when you are free you can just open here, and you can make videos on them. So these are just go and play with these settings, guys. So this is the very good app. So if you like this video, and then don't forget to like this video. I will not get anything by liking, just I'll get a type of encouragement. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other things. So I'm ready to give you a reply. And don't forget to subscribe. Tata, bye bye, see you in my next video.